If you're experiencing login issues on Cloudflare Zero Trust, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you're entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos and make sure that your caps lock is not accidentally turned on. Step 2. Clear your browser cache. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with the login process. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 4. Verify network connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. If you are on a public or restricted network, try switching to a different network or using a VPN to see if that resolves the issue. Step 5. Contact support. If you have tried all the above steps and still cannot log in, reach out to Cloudflare support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue and any error messages you may have encountered. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Cloudflare Zero Trust. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from support.